Hello guys, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. I'm getting too many texts, messages and calls as well. So I want to do a request. If you can do this, I will be very grateful. Please try not to call me. You can see my number. If you just WhatsApp me, if you need training or any question, just send me your question in audio on the WhatsApp. I will get back to you as soon as possible, because I'm teaching most of the time nowadays, busy, and I cannot attend the call. And yeah, just WhatsApp me. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So in this video, sorry, one more answer. A lot of people asking how we can watch our videos. Just if you write SA space PCO in YouTube, then you will find our channel. So then go to the playlist, then you can watch all important videos of our channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about the tunnels. I will try my best to complete all the tunnels which is important and is coming in the topographical test in the minimum time, because too many people struggle really in the tunnels. So the 4 tunnel which is coming again and again in the topographical test. There's many tunnels in the London, some small, big, but we're going to cover the 4 tunnels which is coming again and again. So the first thing, how we recognize the tunnel. You can see this broken line, you can see over here, and you can see the broken solid line over here. If you see the difference, you see this is the road. There's nothing broken line over here, but here is a broken line. If you can see, this is a broken line, so this means this is the tunnel. So this is the sign of the tunnel. Wherever you see the solid broken line, so this will be the tunnel. So okay, so the first is Rotherhithe tunnel. So I'm going to explain to you what is Rotherhithe tunnel. So the Rotherhithe tunnel is 2-way, means you can come, you can go as well, but stay on the left hand side. If you're going inside the Rotherhithe tunnel, you must use tunnel approach from the bottom and from the top as well, because when you go in the tunnel, you have to use the mouth of the tunnel. You cannot go inside the tunnel from the middle, because this is underground. So use a tunnel approach. So when you go inside the tunnel, you stay on the left hand side. You can go inside, use the tunnel approach, just carry on. Look, so this is a solid broken line. So the tunnel start from here, and if you're coming, then you can stay on the left hand side in the same tunnel. This is the same tunnel, 2-way tunnel, and use this tunnel approach. After this point, you outside from the tunnel. So this is the Rotherhithe tunnel. From the bottom, at the top, which is the north side, you can see the tunnel approach over here. So when you coming, just use the tunnel approach to get into the tunnel. This part is very tricky. Always people struggle over here. Do like this, and if you go like this, you can stay on the left hand side when you're going from the bottom. Yeah, so this is the Rotherhithe tunnel. Use tunnel approach, stay on the left hand side, and this is the 2-way Rotherhithe tunnel. Now let's talk about the Limehouse link. This is a kind of tunnel, but here is no tunnel approach. You just only recognize when the solid broken line is start. So you can see this is a Limehouse link, and you can stay on the left hand side. You can go into the tunnel straight away like this. There's no tunnel approach, only in the Limehouse link. And if you coming, just stay on the left hand side. This Limehouse link is 2-way as well, and you just can go inside, and you can come outside. A lot of people do mistake over here, common mistake. They stay on the Limehouse link, then they think the Rotherhithe tunnel is same. They just go into the Rotherhithe tunnel. You cannot do like this. You will get 0 marks, because the Rotherhithe tunnel is different. This Limehouse link is joining with the highway road. You can go straight, but you cannot go into the tunnel. If you want to go into the tunnel, then you have to use the bush arrow here, then you go into the tunnel like this. Yeah, so we done this Rotherhithe tunnel. We done the Limehouse link. The Limehouse link is little bit complicated over here. So if you want to go straight, if you're coming from here, then you should stay in the tunnel. Just carry on like this. This is a ferry road, because this tunnel is underneath, so ferry road is at the top. So do not worry, just carry on and go straight. But if you want to come to the ferry road, then if you're coming from here, just come outside here. You're still in the tunnel. After this point, you're outside the tunnel. Then you can go left over here. Hope so you understand. Here, if you want to join the tunnel from the West Ferry Road, just you can do like this. This is the tunnel. There's no approach here, but you can join from here. Hope so you understand the Limehouse link as well. Okay, the other tunnel is the Blackwall tunnel. The Blackwall tunnel is two-way tunnel. Sorry, this is a one-way tunnel, because there's two tunnels over here. One is coming and one is for going. Let's say if you're coming from the north, then you should stay on the left hand side here. This is if you're coming from the north, you should stay on this side. Just go down and come outside from the tunnel. And if you're going from south to north, you should stay on your left hand side like this, here, and use the tunnel approach to come outside. So I'm going to show you the tunnel approach of this Blackwall tunnel as well. So when you're coming, this is the tunnel approach for the Blackwall tunnel. You use this part to get into the tunnel. There is no other part to get into the tunnel. A lot of people, they just come from here and get into the tunnel. You can't do like this. You have to use the tunnel approach from here. So this is the tunnel approach. This tunnel approach is for both sides. So let's say if you're coming from here, so you're not in the tunnel, but after this point, look, the solid broken line is start. So you in the tunnel now. So this is a sign. So you should stay on the left hand side. Hope so you understand. If you have a more question, you just WhatsApp me, and I make the videos about the Rotherhithe tunnel. You just watch this video. Okay, the other tunnel is the Dartford tunnel. Dartford tunnel sometimes come in the exam as well. And this is the Dartford tunnel is two-way as well. Sorry, again is one way. So you should stay on the left hand side when you're coming. So here you can see this a broken line as well. This means this is tunnel. So this is a little bit difficult over here. When you get into the tunnel, you can, when you're coming here, just you use the roundabout and come like this. You're not in the tunnel yet, but when the these are two lines here, you can choose any. I'm gonna stay on the left hand side. This is a solid broken line, so I am in the tunnel. And when you're coming, you can see the arrows over here as well. So this arrow is telling you when you're coming, you have to do like this. You can't come from this side, so you should stay on the left hand side. So this is the Dartford tunnel. So you hope so you understand this one. If you have any question, please text me. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.